So first we're going to open it. I'm going to show you how to create an account on Rednote. So let's start. I've downloaded it and now I want to start using it. So welcome to use Rednote. So contact information, then you agree. This is Rednote, you can see. So let's see how it goes. There's a Chinese TikTok, like we said earlier. Now, the first thing they're going to be asked to do once you want to open an account is to create an account is to date your date of birth. So don't worry, it's not be publicly displayed. So choose a date of birth. Let's say I choose this. Let's say I choose this. Let's say I use this. So click next. And now you click on login. So you can log in with your mobile number. So let's log in with password or can't use PIN. If your registered phone number will be automatically registered if login is successful. So let's put in . So now enter the phone number. Then click on login. So we'll read and agree to terms and conditions. Then a code will be sent to the number and you have to enter the code. So I'm going to put it in now. So let's put in the code. So they will call you rather than give you a code, rather than send it through an SMS. So after putting in the code, now you have to select 4 interests. You have to select 4 interests on your video on your phone. So my interests are funny. Just select 4. Let's say I'm interested in movies, English learning, and book lists. At least 4. So I have more. I think that should be enough for now. And then you click on start exploring. Then you have to give it access to your contacts. If you don't, you can say don't allow. Next. Then it needs access to make and manage phone calls. I don't want to give it access. Then slide up for more. So this is it. And you see, it's just like TikTok in a way. So this is Rednote.